How to fix RemoteConnect error in Minecraft on Windows. 1. Follow the error window and access the RemoteConnect site at https://login.live.com/oauth20_RemoteConnect.srf. Then enter the given code later. 2. For Xbox. Nintendo Switch, or PlayStation 4 players, try the Bedrock edition of Minecraft only. 3. Try restarting your internet device, like router. 4. Uninstall and restart the installation of Minecraft on your device. 5. Contact Mojang support at https://help.minecraft.net/hc/n-a/request/new?ticket_form_id =$3600012258111.